The effort to contain and beat the coronavirus may come down to the battle of the sexes.
So it turns out women are actually beating men when it comes to following the safety measures, but getting men to join you may be the key to stop the spread. New research determined women not only follow COVID-19 safety measures, they are also more likely to listen to experts in response to the virus. And even before the pandemic, women visited doctors more frequently and followed their medical recommendations more than men. That research suggests alerting men to the benefits of social distancing, hand washing, and mask wearing can actually help slow the spread of the virus.